No. He's behind that rock. I think it's a different one. But he's really big. Where are you going? To eat a fish? That's really big compared to the one that was in their coop. Yeah, TJ?
You know where my Simon glasses are?
I found his tail. What are you gonna do? That's a big snake. Don't you dare bite at that snake. That is way too big. He must be going for a fish. He's in the pond. He is a monster. There's a turtle.
Come on, search.
Reese, stay back. Turtle, yeah. There's a big snake in here. What house did you say you're gonna tell your dad to make?
A woman house so you can sleep in there forever.
A woman house so I can sleep in it? Did you hear what this kid just said? No. I'm gonna sleep in my own bed. Thank you very much.
No, you can sleep on the ground. You can sleep on right there.
Ready for your new dock? Your last one was falling apart. It's broken. Cleaned out all the clutter. It's almost done. Hello! You graduated from the front to the back, girl. TJ?
Get out of there, turtle.
He's like, I need my new home. Look how crafty your dad is. Turtle, he's probably waiting for food. You want to feed him?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, hi, Doodoo.
Hi, turtle.
Doodoo.
Good job.
Mommy, more.
Last one. Last one. Good job.
Oh no, I don't know.
Got your shoes on?
Go around the pond. What?
It's for the turtle to climb up on and take a break from the water when he needs it. We're just testing out the weight. Get off now.
Talk to him.
I found that, TJ. That, it's not a troll. What is it? A gnome. I found that gnome face down in all the dead, what's that called? An umbrella plant? And all the umbrella plant stems. He's creepy.
Tomorrow.
Getting a good leg stretch over there. Glad you like it.